there, formerly of the Babies.
He was in a band called The Babies?
Yes. Oh my God, I even remembered that.
I don't even knew that. All the while I thought
80s
it
kid,
was
diba?
just, John Wade, the singer, the artist. He was in the band.
Now
called
you
The
know.
Babies.
Anyway, okay, that was back in the 80s. I think that was like in 1986 or something. Or 1985. And right before that, of course, one of my favorite bands, The Police.
The
with
Police.
Every Breath You Take. Yes, along with Sting, Stuart Copeland, and the other guy. The drummer. They're actually one of my favorite bands back in the 80s.
I know.
Yeah, I even have a t-shirt of The Police.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Cool.
and yun nga, it was very interesting before the song was, before nagkaroon ng intro, and they were explaining that, Every Breath You Take was actually a song about stalkers.
And voyeurism. Yeah.
But everybody's
The artists were like
everybody's
surprised.
actually singing about that. They think that it's all about love.
Yeah. They were quite surprised that
Yeah.
people are liking it. They were like, what? It's a song about voyeurism. And
Well, that only goes to show that there are a lot of people
who are into voyeurism?
no. that are into so much
Yeah.
about deeply falling in love. Yun.
Sometimes we tend to be, we tend to favorite the out of the ordinary things.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Anyway,
That's
it is
why.
now 12:26 in the afternoon. That time check was brought to you by
PLDT Subic tells iGate, a dedicated premium internet access service that provides businesses with a high speed, diverse, reliable, and managed connectivity to the global internet. Contact PLDT Subictel Sales Group at 2522-375 or email sales@subictel.ph. That sounded kind of like a commercial, huh?
Oh nga eh. Just memorize mo na. Anyway, third and final hour of the brew. And this
Okay.
time around, we're gonna read some of your answers to the topic of the day. And
Text messages.
yes, and we're going to open our line, our phone line for the radio contest.
Radio
we're giving
contest.
out the last ticket.
Is now on.
The last ticket.
Okay.
For the
Last ticket for
OPM,
today.
for the evening, an evening with the OPM,
With the OPM Hitman sa Subic.
Yes, and
Ayan.
this is for those who are in the stream. This is the last
Ayan.
ticket.
Okay,
So-
you guys can see the ticket, right? Hi.
Yes.
By the way, hi to everybody viewing us right now.
Yes.
Hello. Shout out to you guys.
If you wanna win this last ticket.
Okay.
Here
Last
that
na to.
I'm holding, just to call us up 252-8905.
All right.
Answer the topic of the day. Answer the questions relating to the concert, and you will win the ticket.
Let's give the details first.
Yes,
All right.
again.
Topic of the day.
The topic of the day.
Yun yung unang sasagutin nila, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
Topic of the day.
The topic of the day, by the way, is what is your take on this particular news about Megan Aguilar,
All right.
saying that his father has been victimized by a mangkukulam. That the wife of Freddie Aguilar is a mangkukulam.
Yun yung latest eh,
Yun
no?
yung latest. Dahil nga sobrang obsessed yata.
The story in general.
Yes, the story
you
in
guys
general.
know what happened? I
They've
guess you
been
know what
kicked out.
happened. It's all
Megan
over
has
the
been
news.
kicked out of the house because of the teenage wife of Freddie Aguilar.
What's your take on this piece of news? Ayan.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, and then
After answering the topic
the topic of the day, answer the following questions. Okay, who are the artists
That's gonna be
performing in the OPM in the evening with the OPM Hitmen? They are actually there. Shad Borja,
All right.
Renz Verano, Rani Raimundo, and Richard Reynoso.
Okay.
Where is it gonna be? At the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center.
right.
And the time of the concert is at tama ba?
It's tomorrow, May
It's I'm
24.
sorry. And it's gonna be tomorrow.
The date.
The date.
Yeah,
okay,
May
it's gonna be
24.
tomorrow at the Civic
7
Bay
p.m.
Exhibition and Convention Center.
All right. You guys can also need to give us the title of the concert.
Yes,
An evening with the OPM
OPM
Hitman sa Subic. You know what? Actually, this is a benefit concert. It's for the benefit of the Philippine Red Cross.
Oh, yeah.
And the volunteer sweepers. Now, when we say the
Wow.
volunteer sweepers, yan yung mga
Yung
manang
mga
natin
Green
na
Brigade.
nagwawalis-walis.
Yan, Green Brigade.
Ayan. So, it's for a good cause.
Yes.
Diba? Nag-enjoy ka na. Napakinggan mo yung the OPM
mga
Hitman.
favorite songs mo.
Mga songs of yesteryears na gustong-gusto nating lahat.
Oh my God.
Di ba? Plus nakatulong ka pa sa Philippine Red Cross and yung mga volunteer sweepers natin.
Okay.
Yeah. So, tickets are still available.
Okay. So while we're waiting for a caller, let's check out. Oh, yun, biglang
Okay, we have
nandito na.
somebody
Okay, so we
calling.
have
Let's check it.
somebody calling.
Yeah, there you go.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello, good afternoon. May we have your name, please?
Alison po.
Alison ng
East Bahak po.
East Bahak. Wow, Alison. Okay, so of course you're gonna join the radio contest, di ba, Alison?
Opo.
Okay, so bago tayo tumungo dun sa radio contest, gusto mo munang sagutin yung topic of the day muna natin. This is about yung kay Freddie Aguilar, yung kinik-out niya yung kanyang anak na si Megan Aguilar. What is your take on that? What is your opinion about that? Do you know the story? Have you heard of that? Yung kwentong yon? Alison, nandiyan ka pa
Ay.
ba?
Kamusta? Ha?
Kinikwento pa.
Okay. Alright.
Well, anyway, okay. Baka hindi mo pa alam yung yung balita.
Yeah, maybe she doesn't know the
Oo.
story.
Well, anyway, okay. So, siguro we're just gonna ask you some questions about the concert.
Sige.
Okay, so, first question, what is the title of the concert?
Title?
OPM Hitman po.
Kulang.
Nope.
Kulang ng an evening. Okay, an evening with the OPM Hitman. At sino ang mga featured artists sa concert?
Richard Reynoso, Vince Verano, Charles Borja, Rani Raimundo po.
Yun.
Okay.
Apat na ba yun? Apat na?
Apat na, yeah.
And kailan ito at saan gaganapin?
Subic Exhibition Convention Center. Saka May 24, 7 p.m. po.
Ayun, bukas na.
Opo.
Oo.
Okay. Did she got it all right?
Oh, she got everything
You
except
got-
for the topic of okay.
You gonna declare her the winner?
Yeah, okay. She's the winner. Okay.
Alright.
You won for yourself a ticket to the concert
Wow.
and evening with the OPM Hitman.
This is a lucky ticket because
Yes.
it's the last one.
Actually, last one ito ang swerte mo, no, Alison?
But we need to get your full name first. Alison Hannigan?
Alison Arian Andrea Vicente po.
Alison.
Because
Ang
of what
haba
you just
naman.
scored, You might get it. Alison
Arian po.
Arian
Andrea po.
Andrea.
Vicente po.
Vicente. Puro mga first name yata.
Andrea Vicente de la Cruz Delgado Himakulangan. Walang saya.
Okay, congratulations sa Alison. Do you
Hey.
wanna greet your friends?
Binabati ko lang po si Mama Grace, si Tito Gary, si Ace, si Nanay,
Okay.
saka di Jammers po. Saka
Alright.
The Jammers.
The Jammers. Hey, where are you calling from? Taga saan si Alison?
Isbak.
Taka-isba.
Isbakbak na tanong mo na ba?
Yes.
You need to claim this ticket today, ha? Kasi bukas na po yung concert.
Opo.
And no one's gonna be around tomorrow to give you your
Oo.
ticket. Walang tao bukas kasi it's Saturday. And
Anong oras lang po ngayon?
hanggang 5 p.m. po, office hours.
Do you know where we are? Alam mo ang office ng 89.5?
Opo.
Okay, very good.
And calling the attention na rin pala, lahat ng ticket winners. You need to claim your tickets, guys, because tomorrow na to.
Oo. Okay,
Alright.
thank you so much, Alison, and congratulations sa Alison.
Thank you po.
Okay, so tell us what your favorite radio station is.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Okay,
Alright.
thank you, Alison. Congratulations. once
Congratulations!
again. Bye.
The last ticket for today taken. There you go. Si
Yoon.
Allison, Annie, Arian,
Unahan lang yan
Andrea, Vicente. Haba nung pangalan.
Oo nga ba, apat ang pangalan niya. Apat ang first name niya.
Alam mo lately,
What?
nauso yung ganyan no? Pag pinapangalanan yung mga bata, ang haba ng pangalan. Triple
Ano ka
name,
ba? That's
quadruple
not
name.
new. Panahon pa ni Rizal. Ang hahaba ng mga pangalan
Pero
nila.
nowadays, sumusobra na ang haba.
Sumusobra na.
Check out hers. It's like 4 names
Yes.
all in all.
Kaya nga eh.
I kind of find this a sophisticated form of child abuse. If you ask me.
Especially if you're in school and you're gonna take a test.
Pop
Syempre
quiz.
unang-una munang lalagay mo yung pangalan mo. Yung
Pop
iba
quiz.
tapos na sa pagsusulat ng pangalan. Ikaw, Diyos ko, kahaba-haba pa.
Nasa
Mga,
number 2 na yung quiz.
mga two,
Number 2 na yung
two
question ni
pages.
ma'am. Nagsusulat ka pa rin ng pangalan. That's child
Oh my
abuse.
God.
Stop doing that, people. That has gotta go. Gotta go.
Kaya mo, isa lang ang pangalan mo.
Yeah, just one full name and then the
The last
surname.
name, okay.
The family name. Di ba?
Oo nga naman. Well, anyway, okay. So, congratulations once again kay Alice.
My mom has something like that. Hey, you wanna hear her full name?
What's her full name?
Herminja Andrada Gatdula, Byuda di Makulangan di Walang Saya.
Okay, so we're gonna read now your answers to the topic. Again,
Yeah,
the topic
we
of the
got
day
answers.
is, what is your take on the
Latest
story about Megan
Father and daughter
battle over the
Megan
teenage
versus Freddie.
wife of Freddie Aguilar.
Yeah, okay. Let's start with the answers.
Oh, may
in
mga
the,
answers,
stream.
ha? Okay.
Ayan, si Yats24 sabi niya, outs, yun lang. I really don't mind them. But kung totoo man yung pinalaya sila ng daddy niya dahil lang sa rotten veggie. Diba? In the report, yun ang pinagmulan eh.
Oo.
May nabulok na vegetable na sinisi sa kanila or something like that. Sobra naman yun, sabi niya. Mabuti siguro kung pag-usapan na lang nila yon, napakababaw naman po kasi yon.
Yes.
Umabot pa ng ganyan sa media at kumalat sa buong mundo.
Yes.
Yeah,
And to
exactly.
think that Freddie Aguilar is well known for his song Anak, ha?
Oo.
So ironic. Well, sinabi mo nga yun.
And hi to Jocelyn, si Jocelyn of Magaol Bird Park.
Yeah.
Ayan. Have you guys seen the
The what?
Yung mga taga Magaol Bird Park? Kasi I told them to check out the video of the
really?
interview natin with Magaol Bird Park.
Okay. So, na-interview na pala
And
natin
put it
ang
on
mga
their
taga
Facebook.
Bird Park.
Ayan. Hindi yata nila nailagay sa Facebook timeline
nga
nila eh. Yeah. Okay, so check it
Okay,
out.
thank you so much. Okay, sa sagot pala ni
Yeah.
ni Yats. Oh my God, si Yats 24
Si
pala
Yats
yan.
24.
Okay.
Si Yatski. And let's
Some more answers.
check the answers. Okay. Sabi nito, hi DJ, si Epito sa akin sa pananaw ko, palagay ko nagayuma siya.
Palagay ikaw nagayuma.
At nabulungan.
Nabulungan talaga.
Kaya nag-iba ang ugali ni Ka Freddy, sabi niya. Kung kailan tumanda, tsaka nangati. Sabi to na nag-text
Yun
ha.
nga ang problema
Hindi kami ha.
eh.
Yung nag-text to ha. Salamat po. Sayang lang yung pangalan na inalagaan niya. Nasira ng ganun lang. Salamat po.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
point.
I agree. Oo.
Yeah. Sayang nga naman.
Oo.
Aha.
You know, talaga naman, basta pag bata talaga.
Here's one.
Okay.
Sabi niya, grabe naman yun, DJ. Hindi ko maisip na kung may anak ako, palayasin ko ng ganun-ganun na lang. Kahit na sabihin na nating mali pa yung anak ko. Anak ko pa rin yun.
Yes.
Di ba tayo dapat magulang ang pinakaunang kakampi nila? I've gone robotic again.
Oh yes.
Di ba
Oo
tayo
nga.
mga
Oo nga. parang habang sinasabi mo nagte-text ka rin.
That's a good answer. Good
Yes,
answer. Sabi naman ni Mumu, good nun po. Siguro po na brainwash. At parang totoo.
Either nagayuma, na brainwash,
Yeah.
nakulam, yeah.
Totoo po ang kasabihang humanap ng 4M. Whew.
What is for matandang,
Mayamang, madaling mauto. Mauto lang.
Okay, mauto.
Let's not be
Okay.
dreary.
Yun ang ginawa nung
Yeah, si
what's
Albao,
her
si
face?
Albao, si Miss
Oo.
Albao.
So what's her face?
I'll bow her pace.
Yes.
Okay, and here's another answer. Sabi niya, hi DJ, makaka-relate po ako sa story ninyo
Oh, wow,
dahil
really?
dati
Nangyari sa kanya?
hindi kami magkasundo ng parents ko. Sinunod ko kasi yung mga gusto ko instead of gusto nila. Pero eto ako ngayon masaya.
Well, good for you, girl. Oh, sorry, is he a guy?
I don't know, didn't say it's
Yeah,
probably
good for you.
just a number.
Oo. Siguro proud ngayon ng mga parents mo.
Sometimes you really don't have to obey and follow everything they say. But
Yeah, well,
Trust your own judgment
parents are
sometimes.
just there
Yeah.
to guide you. They don't have to control your life because you're a separate individual from them. Kailangan, syempre, you also have to live a separate life from
Yeah.
your magulang.
Kumbaga parang live your own life. Ba?
Oo, kasi magkakaroon ka, in the future,
Magkakaroon
magkakaroon ka rin ng
ka
sariling pamilya, di ba? Okay.
I can also relate to that, ha?
Oo.
Kasi ganun din ako noon eh.
Oo, talaga.
Hindi ako sumusunod sa magulang. Ayun.
Rebelde ka talaga.
Masaya naman ako.
Oo nga naman.
Hindi po kami nagsasadya sa mga...
well,
mga
these are
nakikinig
just,
kayo
you know,
na-
opinions
these
of
are just,
our
yeah,
listeners.
napagdaanan lang.
Well, in one point of our lives, we have become teenagers, and you know how teenagers are. The hormones, the raging hormones.
Raging hormones.
Yes.
Hormones are flying.
Do you know that there's a scientific study about, you know, being how a teenager thinks?
Scientific
feels?
study.
Yes.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Because they're growing up. Syempre, nag-grow up. Kumbaga, there's this sort of like chemical thing that's happening in your body. Syempre, for one, it's adolescence, and it's sort of like parang...
It's like a burst of chemical
Yes, it's about
change or reaction.
Yes, oo, kasi nagmamature siya.
Nagmamature. Unlike when you're
Nag-change yung
old,
cells.
slow down
so,
na,
Oo,
diba?
so nang kakawindang-windang ang ano,
Kaya raging talaga.
ang hormones
exactly.
mo and your system and your cells. Kaya talaga sometimes, you know, we have to guide, you know, teenagers because of, you know, some sort of like a physical thing change in their bodies. They're confused.
And sometimes they do the darndest thing. And
They're just confused. And because they feel that they're, you know, young and invincible, well, we have to, you know, guide them. Okay.
Alright.
Any more?
okay, here's a reaction. Sabi niya, reaction ko po sa story, kahit gaano pa kamali si Megan doon sa pamilya niya, no? At kung ano man yung nangyari na hindi naman natin alam, maling-mali yung pagpapalayas na nangyari,
Yes.
sabi niya.
Oo.
Alright, that's a good one. Sabi ni Regina. Okay. And here's another one. Hi DJs, I'm Kimmy.
Hi, Kimmy. Kimmy Dora?
Ice cream yan, di ba? Yung
Si Kimmy Dora.
Ang masasabi ko
May
lang
bangs
po...
din ba siya? Okay.
Yeah,
anyway.
yeah. Ang masasabi ko lang po ay masyado yatang nahumaling si Kapred.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. Oh, sa totoo lang, it's just you know, parang something that's you know,
Sa bago
I think,
niyang asawa. I mean, come on, anak niya 'yun. Ipagpapalit ba niya yung anak niya sa ngayon lang niya nakilala?
yes.
Mali dapat 'yun. Mali dapat 'yun.
Yeah. Oo.
Sige, sabihin natin kay Freddy ha.
Okay. Are you listening ka,
yeah.
Freddy?
These are the reactions of texters ha. Ayan,
Yes.
yung mga sinasabi ko na,
Oo.
mga binabasa lang natin.
Oo.
Ayan. Okay. And here's another one. Hi DJs, hindi ko po makita ang sarili ko na gagawin yon sa sarili kong anak. More or less that's the ano, no,
Yes,
mga-
that's sort of like the majority opinion.
Yeah.
Of course, because most probably, syempre dahil anak mo yun, kadugo mo yan
Yeah.
diba?
Megan is getting all the sympathies in
Yes,
in
Megan
the
is
story,
getting all the
actually.
sympathies.
Uh-huh. Okay. Here's another one. Ito, kapapasok lang. Fresh hot off the grill.
Wow.
Sabi niya,
Init pa, kasing init ng araw.
sabi nito, guys, let's give Kuya Freddy the benefit of the doubt. Baka naman may masama talagang nangyari between them and Megan. Pero agree naman ako na hindi talaga dapat niya basta pinalayas si Megan. And inayos na lang nila mag-ama na hindi pinagpepiestahan ng madla
Ng media and ng
ang story nila. Yun. That's a good point then.
That's a good
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
Do you know that, ang daming sumagot their own opinions because, you know, Freddy Aguilar is very close to the heart of Olonga Peños.
Yeah, exactly.
Kasi dito siya sumikat. I mean, di ba, his music career bloomed
Yeah, exactly.
here. Oo, kumbaga parang naging parte ng Olonga po si Freddy
Actually,
Aguilar.
He has his own statue there.
Oo nga, buti na lang wala na.
Nasaan na?
Ewan ko. Because, you know, well,
It's like
you know, personally for me, it wasn't really a very good statue of, of Freddy Aguilar. Oh my God. Oo.
And
Ano yun? My gosh.
the reason why he has his statue there, kasi ano siya, he's like an adopted son of
Yes,
Olonga.
he's an adopted son of Olonga.
May city resolution making him the adopted son of...
But sana naman, please, whoever did that statue, sana naman, ginandahan nyo naman. Oh my gosh. Ano yun? Nakaupo siya. Para siyang...
Parang ano,
Para siya
exactly, yung description ni Megan.
Anyway, I don't know where that statue is right now, but good riddance.
Pagdating dun sa statue na yun, siya na yung mangkukulang.
Oh my God. Just go, give justice naman to kahit man lang sa statue, no? Oh my
Yeah.
God. Anyway, anymore?
I guess that's it for now.
Okay.
Sa mga, this batch of text answers to the topic of the day. Okay, you guys might want to answer pa, yung mga gusto pang humabol. Baka yung kaka-tuning late lang.
Yes.
What we're talking about is yung what's your take on the Freddie
Let's
Aguilar,
give them like a
Megan Young
nutshell,
story?
a summary of that story.
Yeah.
Sabi kasi ni Megan Aguilar, she has this feeling that itong bagong asawa
ni
niya,
Ka
Freddy is ginagayuma siya o kinukulam siya.
Yeah.
Because the
Black
girl
magic.
is she's sort of controlling na the Aguilar household, pinalayas niya yung katulong.
Yes.
Tapos pati si Freddie Aguilar, pinalayas niya yung anak niya na si Megan. And dahil lang sa rotten veggies, pinalayas siya. And
also
Megan
according to her,
thinks that Freddie, his father, is
nagbago ugali. Ang laki daw pinag-iba, sabi ni
dahil
Megan.
doon sa asawa niyang teenager.
And also in the story, in the news din a couple of days ago, napanood ko exactly yung words ni Megan Young is...
Megan Young!
I'm sorry.
Megan
I keep saying
Aguilar.
Megan now. Megan Aguilar. Ang exact words niya was, galit na galit ako sa'yo sa ginawa mo. Ang sama mong ama.
Yun daw ang
niya.
words ni Freddie
Ni Megan. Ang sama mong ama, sabi niya. In the news.
Really? Kasi
pero dito may sinabi rin si Freddie.
Sinabi din daw si Freddie Aguilar na
sinabi naman ni Megan.
That effect also na masama din daw.
Yun naman, sinabi ni Megan Young, Megan Young. There I go again. Ni Megan Aguilar in an interview on TV.
Yes.
Plus, she also made kwento na kami pinalayas samantalang yung magulang nung binilhan ng bahay.
Oo.
Now, on that part,
addicting siguro talaga yung
sa lugar, sa parteng yon, doon ko hindi maintindihan si Ka Freddy. Kaya naman pala niyang patayuan ng bahay yung magulang nung di patayuan niya rin ng bahay si Megan Young. It's his daughter.
Megan Young!
Si Megan Aguilar. I'm sorry Megan Young if you're listening right now.
Very sorry. Medyo
I'm
dito
really
si Tommy G. Megan Aguilar.
Si Megan Aguilar.
Megan na lang.
Si Megan na lang. Kaya naman palang gawin ni Ka Freddy yun.
Yes.
Di sana gawin na lang din niya for his daughter. It's his daughter din naman, di ba?
Yes.
She's his princess.
How it's supposed to be.
You
know what I think about this? Because, Ka Freddy is a guy. He's an old person. He's an old man. Kumbaga parang last hurrah na siguro. And to think na bata ang nakuha niya. It's an obsession. This is really an obsession. Na to the point that, Ka Freddy is not already thinking logical.
Ano ba yung Tagalog term doon? May parang slang for, Tagalog slang for that eh.
Nagmumurang kamyas.
Kamyas ba?
Ay,
Di ba kamatis?
Iba yun.
O patola. Nagmumurang patola.
And I mean, if feeling, alam mo, for I don't know how you guys, get obsessed or whatever. Pag obsessed ang lalaki, it's more
hahamakin
ang lahat.
Pag-ibig.
Kahit naman ang babae, sometimes, because obsession, if love turns into obsession, that's really dangerous, guys. That is really dangerous.
It's supposed to be mind over everything.
Yes.
Unahin mo yung utak.
Palagi ang exactly. And also, especially if like for a guy like Freddie Aguilar na matanda na and his wife is very bata pa at sa tingin niya talagang youth is something else.
Somebody who could hurt. Somebody's gonna get hurt.
Guy, he's gonna be addicted, diba?
Yeah,
so anyway,
get hurt.
You should know that you're a guy, man.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, anyway, so we're gonna play one more song. When we come back, more of your answers to the topic of the day. What else are we going to do? Final batch of answers. Yeah. Okay, in the meantime, giving you something coming from the Rembrandts. This is called it's requested. Yeah. So this is called Someone right here, 89.5.
My Subic Bay Radio.
This is The Brew for Friday Rewind.